The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Children, as usual, before moving to our session, I'm going to share the information with you all. You all are familiar with the Windows operating system, right? Yes. In earlier days, the name given to Windows was Interface Manager. Later only changed to Windows or Microsoft Windows. Okay. So with that, let's start our session. Yes. In our last session, we have learned about the new chapter, right? A new chapter started, that is data analysis made easy. Here in this chapter, we are learning about an application software which is used to do our calculations and all, right? Yes, we are learning about the LibreOffice Calc. So let's start our session. Yes, see, first topic is add a new column. Yes. In our last session, we learned about the cell address, cell pointer and all, right? You all remember it, right children? Yes. So now let's learn how to add a new column. So if you are having a table of data and you want to add one more column to it, how can we add? Let's see any of the cells in the column. First step is we have to select a column and then we have to select insert columns where it will be available. Yes, here you will have an option called sheet. Okay, you have to select the sheet. In the sheet you can get an option called insert column. And from the insert column, you can see the option left or right. If you want to insert a column, in the left side means you can select the left, and if it is in the right, you can select the right. Okay. In the same way, you have to insert rows also. Same procedure goes in the sheet and select the insert rows. Okay. So if you have to insert, then select the column and select the insert row and choose. You have to choose row above or below. If you are adding columns, it will be either left or right. But if you are adding rows, it will be above or below. Okay. We have to select from the sheet option. Then you can add a new row or a column. Okay. So, and now let's see some tools in the LibreOffice Calc. So children, here we have the various tools we are using LibreOffice Calc. Okay. See, first we have the Sigma button. You are familiar with it, right? Yes. In the last year also we have learned about it in Excel, right? Yes, it is used for doing our sum, right? So it is also called the sum tool. Then we have the equal to symbol, which is used to add a formula. Put a formula add we can use this button. Then here we have the merge tool. When we run the cell merge tool use here. And you all know merging, right? Yes. If we are combining cells together, then it is a merge tool. See? So, we have merge tool OL at the cell merge tool single cell. Okay? In the coming sessions, we can learn about it. And here we have the row and column. We sheet എങ്ങനെ എടുക്കേണ്ടതെന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ പഠിച്ചല്ലേ. അതല്ലാതെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ അതിനുള്ള ഷോർട്ട്കട്ട് കീസ് പോലെ ഉണ്ട്. സി ഇതിന് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ റോ ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ കോളം. റോയും കോളത്തിനുള്ള സെൽസ് നമുക്ക് ടൂൾസ് അവൈലബിൾ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ. Then we have the charts. In Excel also we have an option to insert chart, right? The same way here also we have to insert our charts. Then we have to add or delete decimal numbers. നമുക്ക് calculations ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇഷ്ടംപോലെ decimal values വരുമല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിലും ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിലും we can make use of this option. Okay. And now let's learn how to add a serial number. Okay. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ക്ലാസ്സിലെ റോൾ നമ്പർ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സീരിയൽ നമ്പർ ഒക്കെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ if you are having a strength of 40 students, each time we can type 1 2 3 4, right? We have a simple or a shortcut right here. Let's see how we can add it. Okay. select here. For example, you are typing here 1, then you have to move your mouse to the here. See, in the right corner. So, mouse pointer changes to plus symbol. Okay. When the mouse pointer changes to the symbol of plus, you just need to drag it out till where you need. Okay. So automatically it will fill out. So this symbol or this pointer is also called the fill handle, which help us to fill our data easily. Okay. But we have 1, 2, 3 roll numbers and serial numbers by using the fill handle we can fill the data without typing it. Okay. And see, we can see it in our practical session. So let's watch the practical video. Welcome to a practical session, children. So let's start our session. To open the LibreOffice Calc, you can go to application. In the Office suite, you can see LibreOffice Calc. See. So we have learned that LibreOffice Calc is used for data analysis or to find the sum or to make contents into different tables and all. Right, children? So this is our worksheet, children. As you can see here we have many cells, right? And each box is called a cell. Okay. And when we are clicking on a cell, it becomes an active cell. See, now I have clicked on the C6. In the cell pointer, we can see that C6. Okay. And this is the cell address. Okay. Whenever we are clicking on a cell, the cell pointer shows the cell address of the active cell. Okay. Intersection of these rows and columns are called the cell address. Okay. So children, our first activity was to add a row or column. Right, children? See. Now I am giving. Okay. So here I have to add a column. Right. Here I have given 1 and 3. In between 1 and 3, I have to add a cell in which it is 2. So let's select the cell 1. Okay. Then go to the sheet option. In the sheet you can see insert column. See, in the column you can see the option column left, column right. I am selecting the option column right. What happens? We get a new column to the left side of the cell we already clicked. See, we already click the cell 1 ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? 1 ന്റെ right side ൽ നമുക്കൊരു blank column കിട്ടി. So we can add 2. This is how we can add a column. Okay. You want to add. See, in the column we can add it in another way also. See, in that first select the cell. Here you can see the column 2. By clicking it, you can see the option insert column right. So 4. Okay, this is how we can add a column. Now let's see how we can add a row. Okay. Now by clicking on the cell, go to the sheet option and insert row. Here we have the option above or below. So I am selecting the option below. See, we get it here 2. Okay. So here if I want to add a column above the 2 means we have to select the cell. Here we can get the option row. See, insert row above. So these are the methods how we can add a row or column to a cell. Okay, children? Yes. Our next activity is to add a serial number. നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫുൾ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിൻ്റെ റോൾ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓർ സീരിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ സ്ട്രെങ്ത് 40 ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ വി ക്യാൻ ടൈപ്പ് 1 2 3 4 റൈറ്റ്. സോ ഫോർ ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ ഗിവ് റോൾ നമ്പേഴ്സ്. നമ്മളൊരു ആദ്യത്തെ 1 2 3 നമ്പേഴ്സ് കൊടുത്ത ശേഷം ജസ്റ്റ് സെലക്ട് ദ സെൽസ്. സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമ്മളതിൻ്റെ കോർണറിൽ വരുമ്പോൾ മൗസ് പോയിൻ്റ് ചേഞ്ചസ് ടു എ പ്ലസ് സൈൻ റൈറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ദ ഫിൽ ഹാൻഡിൽ. തിയറി പാർട്ടിൽ പഠിച്ചു അല്ലേ? യെസ്. ഈ ഫിൽ ഹാൻഡിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് വി ക്യാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ഡ്രാഗ് ഇറ്റ്. നമ്മൾ ഏത് വരെയാണോ ഡ്രാഗ് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്നത് അതുവരെയുള്ള കോളംസ് നമുക്ക് ഫിൽ ചെയ്ത് കിട്ടും. സി, ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ യൂസ് ഓഫ് ഫിൽ ഹാൻഡിൽ. ബൈ യൂസിങ് ദ ഫിൽ ഹാൻഡിൽ വി ക്യാൻ ഈസിലി ഫിൽ ദ ഡാറ്റാസ് ഇൻ എ worksheet. Okay, children? So children, I hope you all understood the session. And so children, I hope today's session you all understood the topic very well. If you are not, you can contact me. Your exams are nearing. Prepare well for your exams. See you in the next session.